Do you happen to not from around here? Do you happen to know how much the bus costs?
Yeah, that's like $1, $2.
$2?
Hey everyone, Alec here, Dherbs. Today I'm be stranded at a bus stop, and the first person who helps me out is going to get $100. Let's get to it.
Hey, I'm so sorry to bother you. Do you happen to know? I'm not from around here. Do you happen to know how much the bus costs?
Yeah, that's like $1, $2.
$2?
Try $1.
Okay.
If you're sure, he'll let you go.
You will? Okay, I appreciate it. Yeah, because I don't have $1 on me right now.
Nah, I'll give you the cash.
This one takes you down. The 603 doesn't take you very far. It takes you down that way. The 90 is best bet. That one heads all the way downtown. I don't think you want to be downtown around night. You can get to a train from here.
Oh, how so?
You can take the first metro. Yeah, alright, I can take you. It's all the way from
Are you sure? I appreciate you. I actually want to let you know, so I'm filming a show right now for Dherbs, and what we're doing is we're trying to see if people are going to be kind enough to help me out if I let you know that I'm, going through a tough time. And so for that, I actually want to reward you and give you $100. Oh. Yeah, dude.
Oh, you have a camera.
Yeah, I got a camera. I've been rolling this whole time. Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. Just for you, man.
Great.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you, dear. Yeah, I just got food too.
Well, I'm glad to help you out.
It pays for my lunch. Yeah, thanks.